Hey you guys, ThatGirlKitaa here, back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, today I'll be showing y'all how I straighten my weave. It's super sleek, super bone straight, and super cute. So this unit is from WESTKISS Hair. This is their 6x6 closure unit, which means more parting space. Yes, we love that. But you know what? Everything will be listed down below. I'll link everything I use in this video down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So I straighten my weave just like I would straighten my natural hair. I do use the chase method, but instead of using a rat tail comb, I use a bristle brush. And again, you guys, make sure you check the description box below for a list of all the products I used in this video. And if you want to get your hands on some WESTKISS hair, there's a link down there for you as well. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. And also, hey to all my new subbies. I see y'all. Thanks for all the love. But yeah, enjoy the video, you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.